Okay guys, so here I am. I'm just getting started on YouTube, and today I want to share my fully modified lawn tractor. It actually has a hand winch attached, which is capable of lifting more than 250 pounds, and we're just gonna get rolling. The original mower that I built this around, it's a Craftsman, and as you can see, it has a Kohler Pro 18 horsepower overhead engine valve. The overhead valve is one of the best you can get. This is not the original hood, by the way, but the overhead valve, it's one of the best you can get because it has a lot of power, and the ratio between torque and actually pulling, it's great. What I have done, first thing, this is actually the third or fourth transformation I bring this tractor through. I raised the ground level like a lot. As you can see, it's sitting pretty tall. I put white tires, extra white tires, so I have enough grip. I'm gonna upload pretty soon another video what I actually pulled and done with this little thing before I upgraded it today. The solenoid always dies on these things. I mean, it's pretty old, possibly my age. So what I did instead, I just took a battery, like a truck battery switch, and I put it in so I can easily start the engine. So sorry for that. All I have to do is turn the key, and I actually have another key for this one, but I never have it with me, and push it. Just like that, it's an easy start. But anyway, back to this thing that you're gonna see on the back. Why I've done that? Because I cut my own lumber and I don't have a lot of money to invest in equipment. So what this thing does, it is actually a little arm crane, which is pretty powerful, I'll be honest with you. And I'm just fixing to start the tractor, pull it under to my regular mower, and I'm gonna show you what it actually does. So, as I was saying, we have here this Craftsman. Sorry it's so dirty, I just been mud mowing. It's a regular mower, 460 pounds. And here we have the crane arm. All you have to do is you start, and whoop, sorry for my finger, you're gonna see the magic happen. Look at that. It's a little bit inconvenient because I have to raise my seat when performing that, but I can put it back because I made a modification to where it's not gonna push the lever. And Yep, it's gonna help me a lot with the creations I made, with the stuff I build, and also this back deck is basically what keeps the little lawn tractor from flipping and making it able to lift stuff just like that. Okay, now how I build this. The deck that you see right here, I cut it off an old mower that the transmission is busted, and those wheels are spinning free on it. I welded it into the frame with some solid steel brackets, and this arm, it's actually a T-post, which I cut that portion off and I welded it to a old bike fork, and that's how actually it's hooked. Those BMX protectors, which are high quality steel, a bike axle which will hold way more than 300 pounds, I can guarantee you, because I'm 325 pounds and I ride my bike, and that's how I build it. You have the winch there, you have the 500-pound strap with the hook, and you have the second hook, and as a safety precaution, because you know I can't really tell how heavy the stuff I lift, that's actually a 380-pound force strap, so if this thing starts to bend and struggles, I will know to not lift it with the arm crane. But yep, that's what I built today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit it a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos of my creations pretty soon. I am pretty much of a handyman and I love to build stuff, as you can see. Bye everyone.